19 Unexpected Ways to Use WD-40 Around the House. WD-40 is a versatile product that is known for its ability to lubricate, remove wetness, and stop rust. WD-40 can be very useful for many other unexpected jobs around the house besides these common ones. Here are 19 creative ways to use WD-40. 1. Spray WD-40 on the gum, let it sit for a few seconds, and then wipe or peel it off. This makes it easy to get rid of gum from hair, shoes, or rugs. 2. To get rid of crayon marks, spray WD-40 on the lines and then use a cloth to wipe them clean. It works well to get rid of stubborn pencil marks without hurting the paint. 3. Unstick zippers. Put a little WD-40 on clothing or bag zippers that are stuck to make them move freely again. 4. Clean and protect stainless steel appliances. To get rid of fingerprints and smudges on stainless steel appliances, use WD-40. Spray on a little and then buff with a clean cloth to get a shine that doesn't leave streaks. 5. Keep snow from building up on shovels. Spray WD-40 on your snow shovel before you use it to keep snow from sticking to the blade. 6. In order to get rid of stickers and adhesive residue, spray WD-40 on the labels, stickers, or adhesive residue. After some time, it should be easy to take off the sticker or wipe off the glue. 7. Grease the door hinges. If your door hinges are making noise, spray some WD-40 on them and move the door back and forth to work it in. This stops those annoying squeaks and keeps the doors running smoothly. 8. Clean and protect your tools. Spray WD-40 on your hand tools to get rid of dirt and keep them from rusting. Your tools will last longer and stay in good shape if you do this. 9. Waterproof shoes. Spray WD-40 on the outside of leather or fur shoes to keep water out, which makes them waterproof. It's best to use this on dark leather shoes because it could stain lighter ones. 10. Get rid of bird droppings. Spray WD-40 on the damp area of your car with bird droppings, wait 1 minute, and then wipe them off. Keep a small can of WD-40 in your glove box, so you can clean up quickly when you're out and about. 11. Bring back old patio furniture. Clean and bring back old patio furniture with WD-40. Spray WD-40 on the furniture, use a cloth to wipe off the dirt and dust, and then polish and clean it up. 12. Separate stuck Lego bricks. Spray WD-40 on 2 Lego bricks that are stuck together and wait a few seconds. This will separate them. 13. Break in baseball gloves. To break in a new baseball glove, spray it with WD-40, place a ball in the hand, fold it in half, and secure it with a rubber band overnight. This will help break in the glove. The oils in the WD-40 will help smooth the tough leather and get the mitt ready to use. 14. Take off decals and stickers. WD-40 can be used to remove weathered car stickers and stubborn wall decorations, so you don't need a sharp razor blade. Give the decal some spray and wait a few minutes. Then, use a paper towel to quickly wipe off the residue. 15. Slip off tight jewelry. A quick spray of WD-40 will lubricate your fingers and arms enough to let jewelry that won't budge slide off without hurting you or the jewelry. 16. Wipe off bathroom grime. WD-40 is a safer way to clean bathrooms than many chemical bathroom cleaners. Use the solution to clean any part of the bathroom that needs it, even soap scum and dirty grout. After letting the dirt sit for a few minutes, wipe it off. 17. Clean tile and grout. Spray WD-40 on tile and grout that is dirty or damaged. It will look clean and new after you scrub it with a brush and then wipe it off. 18. Polish silver. To make silver shiny again, spray WD-40 on a soft cloth and rub it on the jewels or silverware. Use a different cloth to clean. 19. Make your shoes waterproof. If you don't have any waterproof shoes, you can use WD-40 to make your leather shoes waterproof in case it rains or snows. The coating will stop any water from getting in because it acts as a waterproof shield. Light-colored shoes are more prone to getting stained. For spraying, only use leather that is a dark color. Remove water stains from wood. If your wooden furniture has water rings, use a soft cloth to rub some WD-40 on the stain. It might help get rid of the mark and make the wood look like new again. Clean toilet bowls. Spray some WD-40 in the toilet bowl and let it sit for a few minutes before you scrub it. This will get rid of tough spots. It might help get rid of mineral buildup and make your toilet shine. 22. Keep bugs away. You won't believe it, but WD-40 can be used to keep bugs away. It will keep spiders and other bugs from coming into your home if you spray it around doors and window frames. Why using WD-40 is a good idea. Versatility. WD-40 can clean, protect, and do other things around the house. It's easy to use, which makes it a go-to option for quick fixes. Efficiency. Taking care of and cleaning different things takes less time and effort. Safety tip. Before using WD-40 on a finished surface or fabric, test it in a small spot that won't be seen. When using WD-40 inside, make sure there is enough airflow. WD-40 should not be near open fires or other sources of heat. WD-40 is more than just a grease when used in these strange ways. It can be used to solve a lot of different problems around the house.